Hello.
Hello.
Can you please help
Um,
me get out of here, ma'am? Because I really want to get out of here.
yeah, this is, it looks like you have a district court case that I don't have any control over, and it looks like there's not a setting for it. So
What does that mean?
you have a criminal matter pending in district court. This is the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. And I cannot deal with anything that the district court is doing. I can only deal with what's going on in municipal court.
So I
Judge,
can't get out
is
of here?
this Rosa? Is this Rosa,
Yes.
Judge? Okay.
So I can't get out of here, ma'am?
On the cases that you have pending here in municipal court, I am going to release you, but I have no control over the case 23 CR 569 that you're currently setting in there also.
What's that
Okay.
one over though?
Well, the cases that you have pending in municipal court are basically traffic matters.
Okay.
And the prosecutor is here. And I was hoping that maybe you could speak to him, see what their offer is, and maybe resolve this so that you
Because
can
I'm
pay
losing my
more
job at the
attention to
moment.
the criminal case.
Because I'm losing my job at the moment and everything. I'm losing
Okay.
everything.
Okay. Well, like I said, we might be able to resolve this day. Even if we can't resolve the case that's in municipal court today, I am going to let you out on these cases in municipal court.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much.
All right, but I'm hoping that we can resolve them. Then you don't have to worry about them anymore.
Okay. Okay.
You
Awesome.
might
Thank
owe
you so
some
much.
fines or something, but
Okay. Thank you so much,
all
ma'am.
right. All right, so what you need to do is tell Mr. Doyle that
Who's
gave
that?
you the headphones that you
Okay,
want to
okay.
be put in a breakout.
I want to be put in a breakout. Okay. Okay.
Normally, I
think
would
he's
zoom ahead
understanding
here.
that he's not going to get out today because he still has that.
Yeah, because
And that's what he's thinking.
They just filed that because there's no setting at all.
So he thinking that if he take care of this, he going to get out, but he's not.
I told him I told him.
He's not. He going to be mad.
Well, that's not my problem. All right, I'll tell him again so he knows, but because I didn't write down what the case was, what his ugly charges over there are.
It says possession of drugs, opium.
Some drugs, ma'am. It's gonna be a little bit before he gets out.
He got a $5,000 surety. So
Good luck to him. Yeah. Well, and even if he can go diversion, he's still got to get a lawyer to get that done. That's going to be at least 3 weeks.
Oh.
Easy. Just before he gets a lawyer, which is crazy town over there, but I'm not in charge of it. So.
Like I was saying, I was gonna skip ahead, but sometimes you miss the juicy parts when you do. Like right there.
Hello. So, ma'am,
Okay, were you able to resolve anything?
yeah, he said he'll give me time to pay my fines when I go back to work. They'll give me time to pay for the court and for the court fine, and then my other fine. It's just like $100 and something.
Yep,
Okay,
so
is that
Judge, we've
correct, Mr.
agreed,
Poole?
so Judge, what we've agreed to is that the city's agreed to dismiss the stop sign ticket, and Mr.
Yes.
Roses has agreed to plead guilty to the driving without a driver's license. So that's at $150 fine plus 53.50 in court costs. So his total fine will be $203.50.
Is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, I
So
want
I-
you to understand that
So I
although
won't-
this, go ahead.
I won't be able to get out today.
No, because you have the criminal matter that was filed with the district court, 23 CR 569.
When was this made?
That, I don't have that information. All I
I've
know
never
is
had a
there-
criminal record. I've never had a
There's-
criminal record. This is my first time ever being arrested.
Okay, well, when you get assigned a lawyer, you can talk to him about that, but I have nothing to do with that. And you should be seeing a judge probably later today, maybe.
Oh my God.
Okay, all right, so if that's what you want to do,
No, I want to figure out this. I want to figure out this. I want to get out, man. I want to get out,
Okay,
bro.
well, on these cases out of municipal court, you're out. Okay. And I'll set your payment. It's gonna be, because he wanted to give you time to pay. So I'll give you till July 25th at 1 o'clock. So hopefully you can get those paid. If you are out and you haven't paid them, you need to come to court in municipal court July 25th at 1.
You think I want to be in here till July?
No. I don't know if you are or not. I'm just saying you need to come to
I haven't
court.
had no criminal record. That's what I don't understand about none of this. I don't understand none of this, man. I've never been through any of this. I've never had any criminal record. I've never really sat in front of a judge in a jail cell. I've never been
Right.
in a jail cell. This is my first time ever being in this jail cell. I've never been arrested for any kind of criminal activity.
I understand. And you will probably be visited with a judge in the district court on your criminal case, and you can discuss your release at that time. All right?
All right.
So your new court date for municipal court's July 25th at 1, if you haven't paid it all off.
If
All
I
right?
talk to a bondsman, will they bond me out?
I believe you have a surety on your bond that's for the criminal matter, and so you can talk to him about that.
Okay.
All
Thank you.
right? Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. You can tell Mr. Doyle you're done.
I'm done.
Mr. Graham, Judge.
Glad I got to see that guy's tonsils. Hello, Mr. Graham.
Morning, Your Honor.
Yeah. I note here, you've got, this is the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Yes, ma'am.
And there's a number of cases that you have pending. Most of them are traffic related.
Yes, ma'am.
I do note, however, that on some of them, the public defender had been appointed to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I don't know, because we don't have a public defender as of yet. We don't have a lawyer to represent you. So I'm going to have to continue your cases out. Or if you wish to waive your rights, we can maybe have you talk to the prosecutor and resolve this stuff and be done with it. And you just owe some probably fines and costs.
Okay, let's do that.
But I just want you to understand that no matter what, if you can resolve it or not, I'm going to release you out of jail. Okay. So if you hear the deal from Mr. Khalil and you don't like it, or you think maybe you need the public defender will help you,
Yes, ma'am.
then we'll do that, but I'm still going to get you out. All right.
Okay.
I'm just kind of trying to help you not have to come to court if we can resolve it today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Will this be for my KCK and my
It's only for the Kansas City, Kansas stuff, and that's
Okay.
a seatbelt, There's a couple registrations, a driving while suspended, failure to appear, another driving while suspended, and a no insurance. And most of this comes out of cases that are pretty old, 2008 and 2018.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, understand, I don't think Mr. Khalil is going to ask for any more jail time for you. I know you've been in for a little bit. I do note also you have a traffic matter in district court that I have no control over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Can may I just go ahead and have the attorney?
The public defender?
Yes, please.
Absolutely. Okay, then what I will do is you'll be OR'd out today.
Yes, ma'am.
But I'm going to continue the case, and it's going to be a ways because we don't have a public defender right at this minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to go to August 29th at 1.
Okay.
That's just our traffic court day. And don't miss court or you're going to get another,
Yes, ma'am.
it'll just cause you more strife. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay.
you.
So August 29th, that's what your bond paperwork will say. So make sure when you get out, make sure you mark that on your calendar to be here.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Baskin, Judge.
Mark that on your calendar, she says. Interesting. What a very interesting court. I'll be watching more. I think those two are good for this video. I felt bad for the first kid. I don't know why his bond was so high. I don't know what the heck was going on there. Oh my goodness, I'm banging stuff around. I gotta go. You know what to do. Hit the buttons. I love you. Bye.